Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I got this wide wheel Mercan scooter here, and the stand is no good. Check this out. It's bent. You can see it right there. It's bent, but the scooter stands just because I got it there. But check this out. It just sometimes it just goes. You see what happened there? Couldn't hold the camera. So sometimes when you're kicking this stand, it just goes too far, and then you can't stand it no more. You just will fall to the ground. So it's a quick, easy fix. What we're gonna do is let's bring the scooter over here. Let's let it stand right there. I do got my tool ready here. So this is what we're looking at. This is 5x32, and we're gonna remove this guy right there, that guy right there. So remove both of these and your stand will come loose. All it is, it's bent right there, so we're gonna straighten this up and try to invest into a better stand. This is what they give you with the $1,400 scooter. But anyway, all I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna hammer this and straighten it up, and it's just bent here slightly, so make it straight. Maybe too much weight went on it, and then we'll bring this back, put it back onto the scooter, and quick, easy fix. And you do need to put a little bit of thread locking on this little guy. But anyways, let me get this going and I'll bring it back with a fixed stand. Okay, so this is fixed. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this little guy, stick it in there. It goes in the housing just like that. And once you have everything aligned, you might have to tap it a little bit, and you take your bolt. So you have to slip it up, okay? That's how you're gonna do it. So it's tough with one hand. So once I got that, I'm gonna tap on this one with the hammer. Okay, so let's tap a little bit up. Try not to hit the scooter. There you go. Whoops. We might have to get a new stand. That's alright. If you need to get a new stand, we'll get something upgraded. Doesn't look like it's gonna work, but I'm gonna look into a new stand, because this thing's supposed to stop like right there. But anyways, I'm gonna lock this up right here. At least you know how it's supposed to be removed and installed. Okay, so definitely gonna look for an upgrade on this stand. Thank you, wide wheel Mercan, $1,500 scooter with a 50-cent stand. Thank you. Subscribe. See you guys. If you don't like this, don't buy it if you don't want this.